it's your girl Curly Beauty, aka Alexis. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to keep up with your girl, okay? So in today's video, I will be doing a hair review on WKLOVE hair. I actually did a review on their hair previously. I just want to thank them so much for even sending me this hair. Thank you guys. I'm just going to give my thoughts and first impressions as I unbox their hair, and I'm going to tell you guys the tea, all right, if there is any. So stay tuned, and if you are interested, then just keep on watching. Okay, so WKLOVE sent me their loose wave, and disclaimer, I am wearing a shirt, so I don't want y'all being like, girl, where's your shirt at? It came in a DHL package, and we all know DHL is very, very quick and fast. So this literally took about like 3 days to get to me. I'm just going to open this one up and show you guys. Ooh, it came in a red satin package like this. They're switching the game up. So it just says WKLOVE, love your hair, kiss your beauty. That's really, really cute. Let's open it up. Okay, they sent me a nude wig cap that has 2 pieces in it. And I believe that's everything in the bag. So whatever I pull out is what I'm gonna review first. So this is their loose wave hair. They sent me a frontal. Yes, they actually sent me a frontal. So this is 18 inches. So I guess we're gonna start off with the frontal first. So first impressions, as soon as I opened the bag, it did have a very strong smell to it. I mean, I can wash it out, so nothing crazy. And oh my God, look at this loose wave, you guys. It is super pretty, very, very pretty. It's definitely bouncy, and it's good if your hair is bouncy like this. The frontal also comes pre-plucked, as you guys can, I don't know if you guys can tell, but comes pre-plucked. I will zoom in and everything. So do you guys see how it is pre-plucked already? I may actually end up, you know, going in and plucking it again. This is what the hairline looks like, and then as you can see, the baby hairs is only in the middle, so I will end up making some more. The lace kind of is almost transparent. It doesn't look brown or anything. It is semi-bleached. The knots aren't that dark. So that's what I'm basically trying to say. So obviously when I first opened the bag, it did have a smell. So yes, this hair does have a smell. Like I said, nothing you can't wash out. As I'm going through the hair, it is super soft. The ends do feel like a little dry though. And that is a little concerning because up here is soft, but then when I get into the ends, it does get a little dry and a little natty, but you know, we're gonna put some conditioner in this. And I am getting a lot of shedding. As you can see, I am getting some shedding. So not good, not good. And I'm not even brushing as hard as I should be. Like, believe it or not, I'm not brushing that hard, and I'm definitely getting shedding towards the end. So not good, not good. I do still have faith. I am still going to, you know, try them out, but I'm just not liking that shedding. Yeah, these ends are just super, super dry, and it is shedding like crazy. Matter of fact, it is shedding like crazy. We're just gonna keep everything 100 on here. So, oh my God, yes, it's definitely shedding. Like, that's not good. We're just going to keep going though. We're gonna keep having faith, and I'm gonna move on to the bundles. So this was 18 inches. This is how long 18 inches is. And when I stretch it, it kind of like, you know, it's like this, yeah. I will leave everything down below so you can see the exact hair that I got. So I think I'm just going to go in order with my bundles. I'm going to start off with the 20-inch bundle first. So I got 2 bundles of 20 inches, and then I got a 22-inch, so they actually look like this. I never seen bundles come in a pack like this. I don't know, I never seen it like that. So I'm gonna start off with the 20s first. Just slid on right on out. They look like little chicken tenders. As I'm looking on these cards, it basically says that this is human hair. This is natural black hair. and it says it can be permed, and I believe this hair can be bleached as well. So just going to take this out. Oh my god, oh baby, this is so cute. Look at how cute this is, y'all. And it just bounces right back in. So these are both of my 20 inches. They are both the same length. As you can see, they look super, super cute. They're bouncy. The wefts, these are the wefts. And they're not double wefted either. They're single weft. So yeah, I don't know if you guys like double wefts. I like double wefts, but this is single wefted. And let's see. I'm going to go through this hair just like I went through with my frontal. And the crazy thing about it is this feels so much softer than the frontal, which is really weird. I guess from them semi-bleaching the knots, maybe that made the hair tanglier. I don't know, but the bundles feel fine. The bundles are honestly fine. So if you know, wanted to do a leave out, which I don't condone. I hate leave outs now. They like terrify me. But honestly, if you do a leave out, then you should be fine with this hair. So as you can see, the curl pattern is very, very beautiful. It's super soft. My hands is going through it without any problems of any shedding. I'm not getting any shedding with the bundles at all. No shedding. And I'm being honest, y'all, no shedding. I am getting like a nap, but no shedding. Onto the 22 inch. So I have 3 bundles and a frontal. This is the last bundle. This is 22 inches. Yo, this wave is honestly giving me life. Like the bounce of it is everything. So the same thing, here's the wefts. And the longer you go, the bundles may get thinner. So if you get like 24 inches or up, I recommend that you guys get 4 bundles. But that's just me. So same thing, it is super, super soft. I'm not getting any shedding. No tangling, and the ends don't feel dry like the frontal did. So it's also, I'm trying to see if it's thick from top to bottom. It is thick from top to bottom. So I can't wait to wear this frontal. I might do like a curly ponytail because this is giving me life. Giving me so much life. And as I like, you know, do this, kind of puts the curl right back in, which is so, so cool. Final impressions. I'm very, very disappointed in the frontal just because of all that shedding. Probably because of what they did to the frontal. You know, like I said, semi-bleaching the knots. Maybe that had like an effect on the ends of the hair, you know, when they were washing the bleach out. But yeah, the ends are very, very dry on this, which is very disappointing. I didn't get any shedding on the bundles though, so that was good. I don't know how the closures are, but I do know my frontal is shedding like a dog and the ends are dry. But for some reason the bundles are not. So yeah, sorry, I just had a nap. I don't know what's going on. I will come back to you guys for my final impressions after I construct this into a unit. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was my honest feedback. And here is the hair. That's the only thing I didn't like, y'all, the shedding in the frontal. Other than that, everything was looking great. I will be back for you guys in another video. Stay tuned, loves, and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.